graduate of the Global Filipino Teachers Program made me realize that technology is a very indispensable tool nowadays, and this is apparent in the classroom setting. After being trained in the program, I gained a lot of useful tools and techniques that integrate the use of technology in the classroom. I have transformed the traditional classroom into a more interactive, enjoyable, and less burdensome learning environment. It is so rewarding to note that students learn better when ICT is integrated in the class. Finally, this program has given me the chance of becoming a peer coach and a finalist in the Innovative Teachers Leadership Award.
And as for a student like me, technology changes learning environments into an atmosphere of exploding ideas and interventions. Topic presented can be easily understood through ICT-based instructional materials, and I can remember important key points through these materials. Like in our English class, our teacher uses PowerPoint presentation, video clips, and interactive games, which encourages us to study and learn further, promoting better understanding.
Many new inventions and useful instructional materials were introduced to schools because of this high technology of today's era. These improved ideas and inventions help bring back the fun in school. As a student, we find our class more interesting and fun because the technology can supply us eloquent ideas to foster the topics that we are discussing. We are much eager to listen to the discussions, especially when ICT-based instructional materials are used. As a whole, technology changed our way of studying because a wide range of learning tools are available to be used. Finally, with technology, every day is a new day of learning new things.